Milwaukee Tool has announced new offerings. I mean, what's new? Am I right? Here's the thing. It may be new to some of you, but for a bunch of the very cool gang, you all have seen this before because we have exclusive footage that we captured at MPS for 2019. And when I first saw this tool in action, I knew I needed it. But Milwaukee took years to release this tool, and we're going to share the exclusive footage, pictures, and specs right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Want to help out with the channel? Head on over to the merch store. You can get t-shirts, hats, hoodies. Link will be in the description below. Welcome back. My name is Vince, and first up is the M18 Utility Remote Control Searchlight Kit. Its product number is 2123-21HD. I first peeped this light at MPS for 2019, and I knew I wanted it. I mean, look how cool it is. It's like a little robot. Milwaukee Tool tells us Spot Mode produces up to 1,250 yards of beam distance and offers 3.5 hours of runtime when mounted to the M18 base to spot small connections on poles at night. When the job moves into groundwork applications such as trench work or working on pad-mounted transformers, the flood mode provides 4,250 lumens of visibility over a larger area, operating for 3.5 hours on high and up to 12 hours on low. For maximum durability, the M18 Utility Remote Control Searchlight is IP56 rated and built with an impact and weather-resistant lens. The weather-resistant technology is set up to adapt, perform, and survive all-season outdoor use. The light can be operated while mounted to a bucket truck or can be attached to the M18 portable base to light areas where trucks can't access. In addition, this product comes equipped with a wireless joystick remote to give linemen complete control over the light's positioning and has the ability to switch from spot mode for patrolling and tracking lines to flood mode for larger applications. The light's IP56 rated and built with an impact and weather-resistant lens. The kit price is $1,149, and it includes the utility remote control searchlight head, 12-volt DC permanent base, the M18 portable base, M18 12 amp hour battery, an M18 and an M12 rapid charger, contractor bag, remote control, dash mount, lanyard. And if you don't need the Grande package, there's a few other options to pick up this solution. Launch date is November 2021. Next up is the M18 Fuel Utility Fencing Stapler. You know, I was trained by union carpenters to install drop ceiling grid, and we use fence staples to install our angle along the walls. You go into any ceiling or drywall supply, and I'll bet you they sell fence staples. To be completely honest, growing up in an urban environment, I never knew that fence staples had an intended purpose that wasn't the one I just described. This M18 fencing stapler offers up to 6 times faster stapling than manual installation with the power to sink staples into the toughest utility pole and fencing post materials. It's an easiest way to staple, eliminates the repetitive swinging of a hammer. It has all-day runtime, up to 600 staples per charge on a 3 amp hour battery. Its trade-focused features are designed for use when working with leather insulated gloves, including mechanical trigger locking switch and lanyard loop. It's only compatible with Milwaukee's 9-gauge staples, and those staples are offered in a lot of different varieties. They have hot dip galvanized, that provides enhanced corrosion resistance, barbed and coated divergent staple legs, increased holding power, diamond crown design, accommodates larger wire sizes and small plastic moldings. They're available in 3 lengths, 1.5, 1 3/4, and 2 inches. They're only compatible, though, with the M18 Fuel Utility Fencing Stapler, and that stapler will be available summer 2022. And if you like finding out about new tools that aren't necessarily new, But they're new to the marketplace, but they were announced earlier, just being released. Whatever. You get the idea. Smash the like button because it's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime. Helps out the channel immensely, and you'll get 7 years of good luck. I guarantee it.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.